Hello friends, welcome to day 8 of Let's Color with Crayola. Today we'll color this flower, and for this I'm going to use orange circuit, mango, golden yellow, daffodil and mellow yellow, all Crayola colors. So let's start with orange circuit. And now it's mango. And golden yellow. Daffodil. And I've left some white parts for the highlights. I'll use unmellow yellow for those. Now these are portions which have shadow of this bigger flower, so I'm going to color them in a darker orange, which is orange circuit. And then blend it with mango. And then I'll bring golden yellow again and blend it a little more. I feel this part is light, so I'll again go with my orange circuit and darken the shadow area. I like my golden yellow and blend this further. So that way the transition is smooth. And my unmellow yellow again for the highlights. And for the central part, I'll use pine green. If you see, I've colored over this center thing. I don't mind because anyway it's going to be a darker color, and if you use any marker or your colored pen, then it'll cover it perfectly, so you don't need to bother about that. For the leaves, I'm going to use pine green, yellow green and palm leaf. So pine green for the shadows, where the shadow of the flower falls. Then comes my yellow green, and then this is yellow leaf. This is 25 yellow leaf. Sorry, this is palm leaf, not yellow leaf. I'm sorry. The transition is not smooth, so I'll bring my mid tone, which is yellow green, and I want to darken the highlight area, so I'll use ultraviolet and go under this. This will create a nice contrast. I'll go again with my pine green. And the transition color yellow green. And the lightest color palm leaf. Now I will not go over the shadow area because I want that to be dark. That's it. Now I want a background lilac. Now, as usual, we'll go over everything with my highlight pen, white gel pen. Just that's it. Or should I go over? I think this highlight, the background is very light. I'll try to darken it with ultraviolet. Let me see how it looks. I'm not going to go over everything, just contrast at places where I feel there is shadow. I think it's better now. Then lilac again and blend it. So this completes day 8 of Let's Color with Crayola. Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow with the next flower. Thank you. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.